Have you ever wondered how the wealthiest individuals manage to grow their fortunes exponentially while others seem to struggle? Today, we're diving deep into the world of affluence, uncovering the secret layers of wealth creation. Stick around to unlock the levels of wealth and transform your financial future. 1. Understanding wealth. Let's start by demystifying wealth. Wealth isn't just about having money, it's about having options, freedom, and security. Have you ever thought about what wealth truly means to you? Let's explore this together and pave the way to financial enlightenment. What does the next level of wealth look like? Understanding wealth goes beyond the figures in your bank account. It encompasses your ability to live life on your own terms, provide for your loved ones, and secure your future. Wealth is also about creating a cushion that allows you to take risks and seize opportunities as they arise. It's a holistic view of your financial life, including your assets, liabilities, income, and expenditures. To truly understand and accumulate wealth, one must adopt a mindset of abundance and focus on long-term financial health. What steps can you take today to start building a solid financial foundation? The journey to wealth is unique for everyone, and it starts with a clear understanding of what wealth means to you. 2. The power of multiple income streams. Ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? This rings especially true when it comes to building wealth. Diversifying your income can lead to financial stability and growth. But how do you start? And what are the best streams to tap into? The answers might surprise you coming up next. In today's ever-changing economic landscape, relying on a single source of income is riskier than ever. That's where the power of multiple income streams comes into play. By diversifying your income, you spread out the risk and open up opportunities for greater financial stability and growth. This could mean investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side hustle. The key is to find income streams that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals. It's not just about working harder, but smarter. How can you leverage your existing resources to create additional income streams? The journey to financial resilience and prosperity is paved with diversified income. 3. Smart investing. Next up, let's talk about making your money work for you. Smart investing is a crucial element in wealth creation. But beware, not all investments are created equal. How do you navigate this complex world and make wise choices? The secrets to smart investing are just around the corner. Smart investing is about more than just picking the right stocks or assets. It's about having a well-thought-out strategy and staying disciplined over the long term. It requires a deep understanding of your financial goals, risk tolerance, and the investment landscape. Smart investors are also diversified, not putting all their eggs in one basket. They understand the importance of patience and consistency. By investing wisely, you allow your money to grow exponentially over time, leveraging the power of compound interest. But where do you start, and how do you avoid common pitfalls? The key to smart investing lies in education, discipline, and a long-term perspective. 4. Financial literacy. Did you know that financial literacy is a key differentiator between the wealthy and the rest? Understanding money management, budgeting, and financial planning is paramount. So, where do you start, and how can you enhance your financial literacy? The journey to financial wisdom continues shortly. Financial literacy is the foundation of building lasting wealth. It's about understanding how money works and making informed financial decisions. This includes everything from budgeting and saving to investing and tax planning. Financially literate individuals are empowered to take control of their financial futures and avoid common pitfalls. They understand the importance of living below their means, saving for the future, and investing wisely. Enhancing your financial literacy starts with education, reading books, attending workshops, and seeking advice from financial professionals. With knowledge and understanding, you are better equipped to navigate the complexities of the financial world and build a secure and prosperous future. 5. Asset accumulation. Building assets is like playing a strategic game of chess. Each move should be calculated and purposeful. But what assets should you focus on, and how can they contribute to your wealth? The game of asset accumulation is about to get interesting. Asset accumulation is a critical component of building wealth. It involves acquiring assets that will appreciate over time and contribute to your financial stability. This includes investments in stocks, real estate, and other appreciating assets. But it's not just about acquiring assets. It's about managing and protecting them as well. This requires a strategic approach and a long-term perspective. It's about making calculated moves and staying disciplined, even when the market is volatile. Building a diversified portfolio of assets is key to mitigating risk and maximizing returns. But what assets are right for you, and how do you manage them effectively? The art of asset accumulation is a journey of strategic planning, disciplined investing, and continuous learning. 6. Protecting your wealth. Building wealth is indeed a commendable achievement, but safeguarding it, that's an art and a science. In this comprehensive segment, we delve into the critical strategies for wealth protection, including robust insurance policies, establishing solid emergency funds, and meticulous estate planning. But protection transcends mere financial assets. It's about safeguarding your legacy for future generations. Have you pondered the legacy you wish to leave behind? As we explore the nuances of wealth protection, we'll also discuss the importance of risk management and diversification. Remember, the aim is not just to grow your wealth, but to ensure its longevity and stability. So, are you prepared to fortify your financial fortress and create a legacy that withstands the test of time? Stick with us as we unveil the secrets to enduring financial security. 7. Continuous learning and adaptation. Welcome to the world of perpetual financial growth and learning. In this segment, we stress the paramount importance of staying abreast of financial trends and continually enhancing your financial literacy. We'll guide you through a curated selection of books, podcasts, and resources designed to elevate your financial acumen. But knowledge alone is not enough. Application is key. How can you apply these learnings to your financial journey? As the financial landscape evolves, so must your strategies and approaches. In the following minutes, we'll explore the art of adaptability and the role of proactive learning in wealth accumulation. Are you ready to transform knowledge into power and action? Stay tuned as we navigate the pathways of continuous financial education and adaptation. 8. Building a strong network. Your network indeed significantly influences your net worth. In this in-depth exploration, we unravel the power of cultivating strong, meaningful connections in the realm of wealth creation. From finding mentors who provide invaluable guidance, to surrounding yourself with peers who share similar financial aspirations, your network is a catalyst for growth and opportunity. But here's a critical question. Is your current circle propelling you forward or holding you back? In the next few minutes, we'll delve into strategies for building and nurturing a network that enhances your financial journey. Are you ready to unlock the doors to unprecedented opportunities and connections? Stay engaged as we disclose the secrets to building a network that transforms your financial destiny. 9. Giving back and creating impact. As we approach the culmination of our journey, let's shift our focus to the profound impact of philanthropy in wealth creation and sustenance. True wealth extends beyond personal financial prosperity. It embodies the power to make a significant positive impact on the lives of others and the world at large. In this segment, we discuss how integrating philanthropy into your wealth strategy can lead to a fulfilling and enriched life. But how do you ensure that your contributions create a lasting and meaningful impact? Over the next few minutes, we'll explore strategic philanthropy and the role of intentional giving in building a legacy of impact. Are you prepared to leverage your wealth for the greater good? The journey to creating a legacy of impact and generosity starts right here. 10. Sustaining and growing your wealth. Long term. As we reach the pinnacle of our financial journey together, let's recap and forge ahead into the realm of long-term wealth sustainability and growth. In this comprehensive section, we bring together all the invaluable strategies and insights shared throughout this video, emphasizing their integration for enduring financial prosperity. From intelligent investing and mastering money management to the power of continuous learning and building a robust network, each element plays a crucial role in your wealth journey. But remember, the pursuit of wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Are you ready to commit to the long haul and implement these strategies consistently? As we wrap up today's journey, stay tuned for our upcoming video, where we delve even deeper into advanced wealth-building strategies. Your path to financial greatness continues, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. We've journeyed through the intricate layers of wealth, uncovering secrets and strategies along the way. But this is just the beginning. If you're ready to take your wealth to the next level, check out our next video, Lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Dive deeper, transform your mindset, and unlock the doors to financial freedom. Until next time, keep striving for greatness and building your legacy.